carefully, there is a number which is at the upper right corner of A. What does that mean? We often came across this kind of numbers, but have you ever thought what exactly it indicates? Well friends, these numbers are nothing but the exponents or index, or we can say power. So friends, today in this session we are going to explore more about the exponents. Okay friends, let's have a look at these numbers. In first, there is a single digit 2, next 2 plus 2, next 2 plus 2 plus 2, and so on. So friends, for this what we can do? If we have 2 plus 2, then we multiply 2 by 2, that is 2 into 2. Similarly, if it is 2 plus 2 plus 2, then we can write it as 2 into 3 and so on. At the end you can see here, if we add 2 for 10 times, then we can write it as 2 into 10. This is known as repeated addition. Now, if it is asked to add 2 for 30 times or 2 for 50 times, then how you are going to write it? 2 into 30 and 2 into 50, right? That means for repeated addition, we can use multiplication. But what happens when we have repeated multiplication? Let's have a look at these numbers. Well, at the end you can see 2 is multiplied 10 times. What if it is asked to multiply 2 for 50 times? Are you going to write 2 for 50 times? Well, it is very time consuming and tedious process, and it will be very difficult for counting and understanding. Therefore, to avoid this lengthy operation, mathematicians have introduced this method. You can see here, if 2 is multiplied for 2 times, then it is written in the form of. This mathematical operation, or you can say form, is known as exponent or power. The exponent is placed to the upper right corner of the base number and signifies how many times the base term is multiplied by itself. For example, here you can see 2 is multiplied for 5 times and 5 is exponent as it signifies the number of times the number 2 has multiplied by itself, or you can say 2 to the power of 5 or 2 to the 5th power. Similarly, if it is asked to multiply 2 by 2 for 30 times or 2 by 2 for 50 times, then how you are going to write it? 2 raised to the power 30 and 2 raised to the power 50, right? That means for repeated multiplication, we can use exponents. In general form, if n is a positive integer and a is any real number, then a raised to the power of n corresponds to repeated multiplication. Friends, there is also one more interesting thing about multiplication and exponential. Let's see what is that thing. Let's have a look at this image. Well, you can see here the number of boxes is increasing rapidly in exponential as compared to multiplication. Here, exponentially means if something is increasing or expanding at a steady and usually rapid rate, then it is expressed using the exponents. We can even observe in our daily lives, like population grow exponentially each day or growth of bacteria increases exponentially per hour. Similarly, exponents are often used to describe how much memory or RAM a computer holds. For example, 1 KB equal to 2 raised to the power 10 bytes or 1024 bytes. Or mass of the earth is almost 5.972 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Also friends, do you think square root of 2 has an exponent? How do you write square root of 2 in exponential form? The square root of 2 is written as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2. Similarly, the cube root of 2 is written as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 3. So here we can see that 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 3 are nothing but the exponents. So till now we have seen that what exactly exponents are. Let us solve some examples. What is the value of? It's simple, we just have to multiply 6 into 3. Oh wait, no, if we see carefully, 3 is above upper right corner of 6. So here base is 6 and exponent is 3. That is 6 is multiplied by itself for 3 times. Therefore 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. What is the standard form of? As 9 is multiplied by itself for 4 times, therefore 9 is base and 4 is an exponent. Now try to solve the next question on your own and write your answer in the comment box. So friends, in the next session we are going to learn about different laws of exponents. I hope you